Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant bearded iris. First, select a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good drainage is crucial, so ensure your soil drains well to prevent the rhizomes from rotting. You can improve soil fertility and drainage by incorporating some organic matter, like compost, before you begin planting. This preparation sets the stage for healthy, vibrant iris blooms. When preparing your bearded iris rhizomes, gently trim away any damaged or overly long roots. Dig a shallow hole, creating a small mound of soil in the center. Place the rhizome on top of this mound, spreading the roots down the sides. It's important to plant the rhizome so its top is just barely exposed to the sun, or very slightly covered. Space each rhizome about 12 to 24 inches apart to allow for proper growth and air circulation. After planting your bearded iris, water the area thoroughly to help settle the soil around the rhizomes. This initial watering is very important. For the first few weeks, maintain consistent moisture, especially until you see new green growth emerging. However, be careful not to overwater, as too much moisture can lead to fungal diseases and rot. A good rule of thumb is to let the top inch or two of soil dry out slightly between waterings. For ongoing care, fertilize your bearded iris lightly in early spring with a low-nitrogen fertilizer. This encourages strong root development and abundant blooms. Once the flowers have faded, remove the spent flower stalks by cutting them back to the base. This directs the plant's energy into the rhizome rather than seed production. Finally, to maintain vigor and prevent overcrowding, plan to divide your iris clumps every 3 to 5 years. This simple step ensures continued beautiful displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.